So we're out testing out the new Slash today, backcountry, like 9 pounds. Man, it just airs up like in, geez, maybe under a minute. Takes the air up. I don't even take this down. I just put this in the car, air these two down. Now we got bad wind coming head on, going out to the lake. So it's gonna be a chore to get it out all the way to the end of the lake because we got a headwind the whole way. So I think the feet are gonna be hurting pretty bad today. So let's get the Sage and the Slash, see if we can go catch some trout. High Mountain Lake today over at the pass, and it is a windy day today. Out testing out my new fishing craft, the Dave Scadden like packable little float tube. And boy, coming up with that wind, the wind was going that direction, which is the direction I was coming from the boat launch. And boy, I thought I was gonna have to turn around and go back because it was so windy. But we're out here now, testing out the new boat. With any wind at all, you really want like oars. This thing didn't do that hot. With this paddling, I got my fins on. They're directional, but once you get the boat in place though, it's not too bad. Well, as long as you don't have to go anywhere windy, it's a fantastic boat. But anything with wind on it, this thing gives you a leg workout, definitely. We'll see if we can't see some fish coming up top right now, so throwing a little dry fly. Had a leech on earlier, but had a leech on the whole way here, kind of trolling it on the lake, but didn't get anything on the leech. There's definitely a bunch of things coming up to the top, jumping around, but nothing for me yet. Ah, there was one right there. There we go. Right by that tree. Man, he's pretty good little fighter. Geez. bad little fish. First new fish in the boat up on the pass. Got the dry spell done with the new Dave Scad now. So we're just using a nice little dry fly. A lot of little bugs flying around. They are coming up just at the beginning of August right now. So about mid-afternoon. Oh. Another one on. Doesn't seem as big as the last one. Yeah, a little bit smaller. Nice little one. Oh, shit. Well, he sure is full of spunk still. Come on. Man. Man, what if I got him foul hooked or something? He seems way bigger than he is, but man. This guy just has endless fight in him. Holy smokes. Come on. Oh wait, he is huge. He's a big old pig. Big old rainbow. Man, that was a hell of a fight.